Hi guys! For today's video, I'll do at menudo. Ito yung mga ingredients ko. So, magkikisa ko ng bawang sibuyas. At ayun, ilalagay ko na yung minarinate kong pork. Ayan, so ihahalo lang natin siya. At lalagyan ng cover. So, ito yung beans, liver, and nor, and the tomato sauce. So, yan, nilagyan ko na siya ng beans na may carrots, and then the liver also, yan, and cheese, and the tomato sauce. Yan, hinalo-halo ko lang siya. And then, lalayan natin ng raisin. And then, this is done already. So, mix lang natin siya. And then, thank you for watching.